I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet.
I know you're gonna dig this.
I would like to introduce
DXK Production.
You got my heartbeat running away. Beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can't you hear that boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, ba? He got that super bass. Boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, ba. Yeah, that's that super bass, super bass, super bass.
Tahilo batu, le apa yo le a e alu atu maya. Le manawi ako. No sei se me, o te langono le lo sa o ta o atu lo. Le manawi ako e, hano mai.
This one is for the boys in the polos. Entrepreneurs in the mogos. He can bow with the cool, he can so loud. But I think I like a better when he so loud. When I think I like a better with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. He just gotta give me that look, really give me that look. Coming out, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, inside, sickening eyes. I can tell that you're in touch with your feminine side. Yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F.I. is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm acting Luda. That keeps up.
Aye AI, oh ape AI, so e man to my ya. Gemini, oh ya oh. The more you are war, the more pass easy for you. Gemini, oh ya oh. It's how we know for my
Yellow Model G, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing, yellow Model G, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing.
the abai suma ele okutawi sili ya yutu. Take my time for you so manao. Inane epasi sili na sitasi. Inoko malepa anonoa. Imawa ile makulta. Aluela. The apa you low key na ngalo la. Emana uya oe. Owa opolea. Mafuai ona le mawa usabi. Emana uya oe. Sunga no fema.
Feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. She didn't really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never pop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop it. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta flow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. And I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bang. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it together, now I move a little foul, nigga better call a rap and everybody know my style, niggas know that I'm the best when it comes to doing this. And I be banging on my chest and I'm banging the east and I'm banging in the west. And I kinda give you more and I will never give you less. You will hear it in the street and you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's